But first, I'd like to introduce what is multimedia. I just found a good video to show on YouTube. Just watch it.
Multimedia is basically elements of motion changing over time. People appreciate it when information isn't just presented as text. It's accompanied by diagrams, photographs, other kinds of imagery. Also, moving imagery, animation. On the interactive side, we're running an array of software.
So, how can multimedia be utilized in cartography? I think the best way is to show the examples. For instance, this is a video showing growth of US newspapers from 1690 to 2011. But at first, there are very few points, so just skip it. From this video, we can show directly the changes. Yeah, the amount changes every year. Some year increases and some year decreases. And changes over space and time. But that's the magic of video. Making it very interesting to read instead of clicking on each map. So another example, just showing the total cropland irrigated. You can see the changes very directly. So in my opinion, video is a very direct way of showing map. Or maybe it's the best way utilized in cartography that can reduce the load of user memory. Another map I want to show is the digital tag map, which has a little interaction and animation. This button I can click on here. I'll show a small animation of digital tag through the timeline. The last example I want to show is the Google Map. The Google Map is the best map application, in my opinion. This new Google Map function, as button, you can see its images. We click it, it will show an animated view of this place, like the day view or night view, which is very interesting. So now you have seen the multimedia, which can be utilized in cartography. The advantage is it can make map easy to read and interesting, as well as very attractive. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.